Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Node.js in your PC. To download Node.js, you have to go to the browser and type here Node.js. Hit enter and here is the first link nodejs.org. Just click here and now you can click here get node.js. Now select .msi version, click here and here you can see it start downloading. Now let's go for the downloaded file. So this PC downloads and here you can see we have Node.js. So double click on it and click here next. Select I accept, then click here next. And now you can change the directory where you actually want to install. So I'm going to actually select the default one and that is C drive. So press OK and then click here next and after that next and then next and click here install. Here you can see Node.js has been successfully installed. Now click here finish. Now to check if you have Node.js in your PC, just go for the CMD and hit enter, open the CMD, okay, and then type here node --marsher. Hit enter and here you can see we have the latest version, that is version 24.11.1. Now you have installed Node.js in your PC. Now you have to set the environment variable. To set environment variable, you have to go to the C drive, your installation drive. In this case, I have installed it in C drive. So go to the C drive and then go for the program files. You will find Node.js here. Here you can see we have Node.js here, right? Now double click on it and now click here in the address bar and copy the address bar and go for the system environment variable. So type here env and you will find this option. Now click here open and click here edit environment variable. Now select path under system variable. Now click here edit to edit it and here you have to actually create a new file. So just click here new variable. So click here new and paste the address. Here you can see I already added it, so I'm not going to add it once again. Just delete this and now press OK, then OK. Now we have set successfully our environment variable also. Now we have completely installed Node.js in our PC. Now we can actually use it. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.